puzzles are basically to improve the IQ level. And it is not only for kids, it's like for all age groups. So all age groups can, solve puzzles and enjoy them.
Exactly.
Then, ma'am, basically in this course, we are dealing about number puzzles. Apart from number puzzles, there are also various kind of puzzles, like most common puzzles, we say logic puzzles. But here we are mostly concerned about the number puzzles. So in number puzzles, we can categorize them in 7 parts, like Sudoku, Ken puzzle, Kakuro puzzle, Yohaku puzzle, cross number puzzle, math riddle puzzle, and brain teasers. So most of the names, ma'am, you will find very different, like Ken puzzle, Kakuro puzzles.
Exactly.
These are all Japanese names.
Achha.
That is why they sound so unfamiliar.
Yeah.
I will tell you about every puzzle, how it is working. So like ma'am, Sudoku puzzle is basically a 9 grid by 9 grid puzzle, in which there are small grids of 3 by 3. Now the procedure for completing this puzzle is that on each row and each column, there should be number 1 to 9, and every number has to be unique. And in each grid, which is a small grid, 1 to 9,
not be repeated.
Small number. 1 to 9 unique number. Next puzzle is, ma'am, Ken puzzle. Now, Ken puzzle is also very similar to the grid puzzle. This is a very simpler version of Ken puzzle I am showing you. Now, you can see, ma'am, in this puzzle, you are getting, you can see mathematical symbols.
Plus into and
Yes, ma'am. Like you can see multiplication here, you can see addition here, you can see subtraction here. So basically, here what is happening, ma'am, student has to write the numbers and they should follow the mathematical operation. For example, 7 plus is written. So I can write 2 plus 4 plus 1 to make it. Okay, ma'am. Now, this line, each column and each row must get a unique number.
Exactly.
So since it has got only 4 columns, 4 rows or 4 columns, 1 to 4, we can only fill 1 to 4 numbers. Here also 4 is written, and this is a single.
There also 4.
4 cannot come here. 4 will come here. I cannot write 4 here also because this row is also 4 common.
4 number.
So I can only write here. So that is how this puzzle moves in. So student has to apply the mathematical operation, as well as he has to concentrate on the point that each column and each row will have unique
numbers.
Now the next puzzle, ma'am, which is here, this is another simpler version of Ken puzzle, and here you can see only additions are there. So Ken puzzles are also based on one particular operation. Like we can have a puzzle only for addition, only for multiplication, and we can have a mixed puzzle where addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, everything is there. And it starts from 3 by 3 grid, like this is a 3 by 3 grid, and it goes till 8 by 8 grid. So it's not only for kids, it's like challenging for all age groups.
Age group, exactly.
Yes. Next, ma'am, just a minute. Yes. Next is Kakuro puzzle. Now, ma'am, Kakuro puzzle also, it is not written anything here, but it is basically about addition. It's like 8 plus 7 is 15.
Sum up to that. Here it should sum up to 22, and there it should sum up to 18.
Yes. Some of the column and some of the row must be these digits given. But here, ma'am, there is no condition, as we have to write only 1, 2, because 3 rows and 3 columns are there. We can write any number, single digit number to satisfy the condition.
Okay.
1 to 9, we can use any number. Okay, but the only condition is that, like, this is 11, so vertical column must be 11 and horizontal must be 22. So that way we have to think of various combinations which number is giving.
Exactly.
Okay, ma'am. This is basically I have shown the solution that how 9 plus 8 is 16.
9
plus 8 is 17.
19.
8 plus 3, 11 plus 1, 12. So horizontal also 12 is coming and vertical 19 is coming.
Exactly.
This is called, ma'am, Yohaku puzzle. Yes. Now this is very interesting, ma'am. Here you can see in the corner they have given the symbol. It means whatever column addition and row addition must be give you this number or 16 number. And they have given the hint also. Use 4 consecutive odd numbers. So it means we can use 4 consecutive odd numbers. Consecutive odd numbers means odd numbers which come one after the other.
One of them.
For example, 3, 5, 7, 9.
Exactly.
And so they have restricted the use of numbers. Now in the second puzzle, ma'am, you can see there is no condition given,
No condition given.
but multiply sign is there.
Multiply sign.
So we have to multiply. Right? We can write 8 5s are 40. Like we can just write here 8 5s are 40. And we know 8 7s are is 50
7s are 56.
and 7 2s are is 40. So this is how
Exactly. 5 2s are 10. Super.
Now, ma'am, see the next puzzle. It is about fraction. So in the Yohaku puzzle, they have included even fraction also. So kids can learn fractions in a puzzle way.
Puzzle way. Exactly.
Okay, next is, ma'am,
Cross
cross
number.
number puzzle. Now this is very similar to crossword, which we do in English. In English, everyday newspaper, that crossword
Exactly.
is
English I make them
so
do.
here, ma'am, we have to. They have given us the clues across and
Across
down.
and
We have
down.
to find out the numbers.
This side.
It can be mathematical numbers also, or it can be written in a English form also, whatever. So this is very similar to a word crossword. Okay, next is, ma'am, we can see teasers or brain teasers, like these kind of puzzle which are common in YouTube. And a puzzle can be like that. If you multiply this number by any other number, the answer will always be the same. What is this number? Okay, so if you multiply this number
15.
by any other number, answer is going to be same. It means that number is 1.
1.
So we multiply any number with 1, we get the same answer.
Same answer.
Okay, so these type of math riddles and brain teaser puzzles are there. So in this course, ma'am, we are going to cover all this.
Okay.
This is our course structure.
Super.
Yes, because, ma'am, initially to explain anyone that how are you going to cover the course, people don't get idea because we don't have knowledge about what kind of various puzzles are there.
But super, ma'am. This is like extra brain improvement things.
Your voice is very low, ma'am.
This is like excellent, I said.
Yes, ma'am. So that is why, ma'am,
The way of teaching is like superb.
Complete
One by one.
puzzle package for the kids.
Exactly, ma'am. And this what is required nowadays.
Yes, ma'am.
We didn't have the opportunity to do all this, so let's actually do it.
Now we are starting the course, ma'am. You can also enjoy along with Kush, no problem.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a Sunday, any other family member can join and they can do the puzzle. Okay, it's all
yeah.
about fun and nothing serious mathematics. Okay.
Exactly.
So today I have taken simple puzzles, ma'am, because I have not given you any handouts earlier.
Exactly.
From the next time, ma'am, I will be giving you handouts so that you can take the out or you can note down the puzzle and then you can solve it. So today I'm covering very simple puzzle just for the orientation purpose.
Okay.
So is Kush there?
Yes, ma'am, he's here, right here.
Yes. So Kush, this is Yohaku puzzle.